Welcome back to PowerPoint Training Online for another Bite-Sized Monday. And today's Bite-Sized Monday, we're going to look at creating new sections. You can split your slides up into sections. So I can see here, I've got 3 slides. I've got my logo, I've got just a slide that says future gains, and I've got another one that says financials. Now, I've then added a section here that says financials, which means I can keep all the financial slides together. Now, one of the reasons why we think this is really useful is because let's say you've got a presentation which had 100 slides. Now, not something we'd ever recommend. 100 slides is a lot of content, but if you have to, then it's fine. But let's say you don't want to be scrolling through 100 slides over and over, always looking for the right slide. So you group your slides into sections. So you can see here, my first section here is financials, and then you've also got the default section, which is the first group. So if I press that collapse section, I can now hide that, which means going through, I can then look in certain sections, I can find sections easier, and that means I'm not having all sections on display. You can have only what you're working on that current moment in time, which again, it just makes life really easy. So how do you add a section? So I'm going to add in another slide here, and let's just call this one website. So now I need to add another section in because I want to split that. It's not part of financials. So I'm going to right click on the slide area in between the 2 slides I want, and I'm going to add a section. Instead of adding a new slide, I'm going to add section. So add section, it asks you to rename it. So if I just type in there website, rename, and you now see I've got a second section now for website. So I can now close down the other 2 and I'm only working in my website section. Or you can see I can close that one down if I wish. Now if you right click on a section, you get a few more controls. So for instance, you can remove section and slides, you can remove all sections, you can move section down or up, you can rename it, you can also collapse expand all. So I can expand all and they all appear. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and a quick tip on Bite-Sized Monday. Have a good day. Goodbye.